Hello and welcome. Now in this video, we're going to be discussing managing joint team expenses. Now while there are no specific features in Evernote that hold members fully accountable, there are easy to use processes that allow for the team to keep others in the loop in terms of spending. Now, Evernote allows for document scanning and uploading of receipts after a purchase is made. It also allows for the notebooks to be created for purchase research and comments from other team members. So, where pricing and value can be obtained in greater quantities, team members can provide input and pool their contacts and resources prior to purchases. Now, to manage teams' expenses in Evernote, here's what you can do. First, you can ask for feedback before a purchase is actually done in a work chat. Now, that work chat can be done in real time, or that work chat can be asynchronous when people have time to actually answer. The work chat can also include a sales rep who can be invited to answer the team's questions. You can also set up notebooks for input prior to purchase. Evernote notes should include teammates' product research. So if someone is doing pricing or value and someone actually knows something, all of the notes should be included in a specific conversation. Any special contacts that a teammate has, that should be included as part of the conversation. Any specific industry knowledge about the purchase should be included as part of the discussion, again, prior to the purchase. And of course, similar to calling for feedback, requests for knowledge can be requested from any one person with a sales representative through the work chat in Evernote. These are all good ways of being able to hold expenses down and to hold teams accountable by the continuous communication that Evernote brings. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.